Jana happy.
Yes.
So how we go about? You tell me now. Kanakadri is. I think my son is also joined. Kanakadri is his partner. Kanakadri ji.
Yeah, ji.
Yeah, hi. You go start ahead and tell about our dehydrated plan. Now I'll talk out 5 minutes before. See what we are trying to do is that we dehydrate vegetables and fruits of various fruits and vegetables. That is our motto. We do with the solar power drying. Number one. So what we have done now, what we are trying to do in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, we are trying to create a cluster. Yes, an incubation center for so many farmers who can come there and get their vegetables and everything dehydrated, and they store in a vegetable bag. That's what we call. So now we are doing a pilot way and we are extending the bigger way. So now the similar model we want to do in the Odisha. That's right, Kanakadri?
Yes, sir, exactly.
Yeah, you can go ahead and tell.
Yeah. By the way, my name is Kanakadri, and I've been into the food dehydration process since 2015. So basically, the concept of dehydration is we extend the life of the produce. If it is whether it is a vegetable or fruit or for that matter, any kind of product which has the moisture. So we remove the moisture from the product through cabinet drying using solar dehydration. So once we remove the moisture from the product, automatically since there is no moisture, there is no chance to grow the mold or any pests on the produce. So automatically the life will be extended. So generally the product life will be for more than 12 months to 18 months. So then once we dehydrate it, then we can make it as a pulverized too. So we will have dehydrated powders also, like tomato powder, onion powder, ginger powders.
Apart from flakes.
Apart from flakes, first stage of dehydration is the flakes, that and make them dried. So we call them as the flakes. Directly we can use it instead of bringing fresh vegetable. Use cleaning, cutting, like bendi if you are going for ladies finger. So you need not to bring, cut it again. So it's already clean and chopped and dehydrated and packed. The only thing is you just put in the water and cook it. That's it. Similarly for all the vegetables and leaves as well. So then we make them dehydrated. In a sense, pulverized. So pulverized in the sense we do not do the vegetables pulverized. Most of the vegetables we do like tomatoes and onion, ginger, garlic, imli. So what are the produce that are required in the powder form, we dehydrate. For example, bendi, the lady's finger, we do not dehydrate, powder. So once we have the flakes and powder, then again we formulate it to curry mixes. For example, as of now, we have the only end seasoning masalas like Everest or Achi, whatever the seasoning masalas are available. Those are the end seasoning masalas. For example, if you want to bring, once you bring all your vegetables or a curry for powder available at the home, to prepare the curry, then at the end of the season, you have to add your seasoning masalas to your prepared curry. But in our case, what we do is we replace everything, including your dehydrated vegetables, to the salt, chili, onion, garlic. Everything is packed in the what I say 8 pack. So only thing is we need to cut and add the water. If required oil, then cook it. That's it. Within 15 to 20 minutes, your curry is ready. So wherever you are in the world, the taste is same. That's the first part. And the next part is coming to fruits. So we do have the fruit leathers like mango leather, jamun leather, and pineapple fruit as well as. So we put them into dehydrated chocolates with dehydrated imli, what is it, kaju, and other kind of fruits also dehydrated.
He has done a lot of experiments anyway.
We did, and these kind of products we have almost 50 plus products we did R&D and packets already. Of course, we've been exporting for last 2 years to almost 12 countries. And recently we started from last year. We started working. Spreading all over in Hyderabad and of course in AP. As Mr. Raju said, well said, we are also planning for Odisha also. And the interesting thing is, this is the entire concept of business promotion. The most interesting point is we are addressing the farmers actually.
Correct, exactly.
This is the most important. No, I expressed only the commercial point of view, and where we are working the uh, supply chain level. So wherever the produce is available, the farmer. So for example, in season generally we do not have that much. We will have the more supply and less demand. Obviously, price will comes down. So whenever we have the season produces, so by that time we try to dehydrate all the produces that are available, excessively available. Of course, we use fresh vegetables as well. So we dehydrate them at there and then, and we make them market later on the off-season period. So this is the most concept, and we can assure the farmers for a fixed price, even in the season also, season time also, we will have a fixed price per product per kg. So this is the most important thing. So generally we may not have the waste of the produce. And once we have dehydrated these products, you need not to put your fresh vegetables in the cold storage. So dehydrated products, you can keep them as a room temperature also, even at 30 degrees centigrade also. So it can extend its life for minimum 1 year. So we can reduce the cold storage facility also, since all our produces are available in dehydrated form. So
Now
once
let us
we
talk
have
about
now,
the technology part, Kankadri,
yeah,
how it is being done.
yeah, this is
आ,
how.
आ, आप सुन रहे हैं ना दोनों?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. केदार जी आप?
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We're listening.
Now let us talk about the technology part. Now, you talk about the solar power and backup for solar power, and also the vegetable bank and the raw material inputs, and you talk about the creation of a cluster. We try to take about say 2 villages, 3 villages, and create that dryers for us, and you discuss on that model, Kankadri.
Yeah, supply. So this is how the supply chain works. And coming to the technology which we are using, we generally use solar power radiation in a cabinet dryer. So the dryer will have the closed MS shield with a temperature controlled unit inside. So once the radiation, light comes, falls into the glass one. So when it goes down, it will transfer the thermal radiation. So whenever this moisture is available on the produce, that thermal radiation absorbs the moisture, and behind there is a fan fitted to the cabinet, which is operated by the solar panels. So that moisture will goes out, pulls out from the cabinet and goes to the air. So this technology very simple. It's just pulls out the moisture available on the produce. So generally we have the control.
Drying is free.
Yeah,
Solar
yeah,
power.
free. There is no cost of costing you, since it's purely solar dehydration. And the other part is we do have the backed up electricity. The heaters also fitted. So that's why we call it a hybrid model. When the temperature falls outside,
Rainy season, whatever.
any season, whatever the reason. So we make sure that our produce is always dried at 60 to 65 degrees centigrade. So for that purpose, we do use electric heaters, and we use them as a standby whenever the temperature falls down from natural way. So this is how the technology works. And coming to the cluster wise, so these kind of dryers are available from minimum 50 kg dryer to 100 or 200 kgs. Let us say we are planning for 100 kgs dryer capacity. That means per batch we can dehydrate 100 kgs of produce.
And also tell the ratios of tomato, couple of vegetables and vegetables, Kankadri.
Yeah. So per batch we can dehydrate 100 kgs of produce. For example, if you are using tomatoes, we can dehydrate tomatoes of, for example, 100 kgs we will put inside. So we will have the ratio for each and every product. The dry ratio is different from the fresh one. So for in a tomato case, if you put 100 kgs, we'll get only 10 kgs of powder. I mean, flakes one. That we will make them as a powder, or we can use the as directly. And similarly for ginger, ginger will have almost 37%. That is, for 100 kgs, we will get 37 kgs of dried one. So depends on the moisture content of the product. So the yields goes down for dehydrated form. So this is how the dried one comes out. And coming to this cluster based. So wherever the produce is available, we want to have these kind of dryers in the farmer area or producing resources area. So once we have this dryer established, we will have an entrepreneur who is taking care of the drying of the produce available locally. And then he is supposed to send back to the main processing unit where we formulate them and we market them locally and internationally. So these kind of clusters, we do have the plan for almost 100 clusters we are planning statewide. So each cluster will be costing, that cost we have defined, how many kgs of dryer we require, what the place is required. So it varies from 5 lakhs to 25 lakh per cluster setup. So this is how we are giving the market support also for the entrepreneurs. And anyway, we buy back them the produce which they produced and they dehydrated for our requirement. Since we already have the established connections in the market, and we do have the source to sell. Yeah, this is what about entire drying right from the farmer to end user.
Yeah. Now your questions are welcome, Rekha ji. Sangeeta ji, sorry.
So yeah.
Yeah, Kedar ji.
So sir, you are asking some question. Can we come to the video, please? It's very cold at Delhi.
Oh.
Yeah, I understand.
Kedar sir.
हाँ जी.
You can ask your questions.
हाँ. Yeah, I got the technical part and how the cluster you are planning. See, my question is that actually you are a company and you are trying to set up clusters.
We do a technology transfer, yeah.
Different parts.
Mm-hmm.
And Kanakadri just said that there will be entrepreneur who will take care of this solar drying and all, and there will be a kind of
farmer is they give the raw material. An entrepreneur will set up a solar system, and we try to help with the marketing activity. This we want to replicate wherever the locally. I mean anywhere in the India. That is our motto. By taking the microfinance help and also the solar help or MSME concept, whatever the concept. That is our idea, Kedarji.
Okay, how do these FPOs and NGOs fit into it? Ours is NGO.
Okay.
We are promoting FPOs, and FPOs are their members are in the villages, and all these FPOs are most of the FPOs are women-led farmers. Women farmers are there.
What they are growing, sir? Fruits or vegetables?
Vegetables.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, vegetables, pulses, and those kind of things.
Okay.
So how we fit into the entire thing, and what are our role exactly?
So this is a holistic integration. We have to do the integration. See, what are the NGO farmers, FPOs, what we have? We consider them as raw material suppliers. Correct, Kanakadri?
Exactly.
They are raw material suppliers. And solar, we have to, as Kanakadri rightly said, we have to identify entrepreneurs who can come up with 100 kg, 200 kg dryers. And also because it's set, cleaning the vegetables, cutting the vegetables and everything. And we want to create a vegetable bank. For example, they produce, the FPOs, they produce 100 kgs of tomatoes, for example. Now, what is the price of a tomato in Odisha now, per kg? As a day?
Around 30 to 40 rupees in the market.
Do you know what is the price in Hyderabad? 1 rupee. Farmer, how they're throwing on the road in Karnool, Tirupati, Chittoor. because the
Yeah, yeah.
too much of a crop. The similar situation is happening everywhere in India, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, here it also happens in different years. This
So
year
we
it is
want
not
to
like
avoid
that.
that. What we try to do when the tomato or vegetables are very cheap, we try to take the vegetables of 1/4 of the vegetables. Suppose 100 tons being produced to cabbage, we take 1/4 of it, and 250 kgs of this vegetable. We try to do the dehydration. So the farmer side is that role. The NGO farmers order it. Maybe they try to give a vegetables as a raw material to the solar guy. Solar guy, who is a big entrepreneur, they will convert the vegetables and keep a godown there itself because it doesn't require any cold storage. We are trying to, now we are talking to Tamil Nadu government. Next week, myself, Kankad, we are planning to go. So there we are, the government has allocated money for the, what you call it, the cold storage. We want to avoid that. We want to create a clusters like this, It's a very inexpensive, not much expensive. Only thing solar and a backup power. That's it required. So इंडिया में क्या होता है 6 महीना तो वैसी गर्मी होती है हर जगह पे the moisture content is at below 10%. Kanakadri for the vegetables, would you like?
No, for vegetables we do have around 3 to 4%.
Fruits were 10%.
Fruits are 10%, less than
Fruits 10%. So this is the model, sir. Now, for example, you talk about 100 kg dryer. What is the best model for these farmers, Kanakadri? 100 kg or 200 kg?
That depends on the entrepreneur and is the connecting to local.
No, let us assume that because Kedarji is in solar business also. So let us assume that a solar dryer of 100 kg, what is that we procured here? We have in our factory. So to have an idea to tell them, you are asking the connectivity part, no? So we need to divide into two parts. One is farmers NGO part and the entrepreneurial part. For them, we have to, for both farmers and these people, we have to conduct workshops, free workshops, whatever it may be, to train them in this logic, or paid seminars, whatever it may be. And then, for the entrepreneurs and MSME, they have to start a solar with a backup regular power, a conversion of solar dehydrated vegetables entrepreneurship program.
Yes.
To create a cluster at one place, at a district level, wherever it may be, where the shed end will be provided, and we create that. So whatever we have done in Shamshabad here, similar model we want to replicate.
Yes, Mr. Kedarji, I was asking that. So the women entrepreneurs who are having lead in FPOs, so we will train a guy, a lady woman entrepreneur to run this solar dehydration in unit. So they themselves will have the good connection.
And they get a NABARD subsidies, MSME subsidies. And what is the project cost? It will come in a cluster, each entrepreneur for solar, Kanakadri?
25 lakhs, including the lab and...
I shared the report also with you in the group, correct, Kedarji?
Yeah. Share
Okay.
the report, but I think in a cluster of villages where in a village actually there are 30 to 40 farmers are there or 50 farmers are there.
Okay.
And I got the impression that whether all these 30, 40 farmers will be the entrepreneurs or there will be one entrepreneur.
No. They are raw material suppliers. FPOs are raw material suppliers.
Yeah, sorry to disturb.
And this 25 lakhs rupees investment is required for putting the entire unit.
No. Let me tell you that. So, for example, if 40 farmers are there, we will find out the one farmer or entrepreneur who can dehydrate the produce for us, right?
Okay.
So our remaining 39 farmers will be the only suppliers. This guy who is running the unit, he will go and tell to the farmer saying that how he uses the produce, like what is the material is to be used. That training we will give. And the investment part, so for 40 farmers, no need of this much investment is not yet required. Only the care is good enough, and some small accessories like all together it won't cross less than 10 lakh rupees. He can run a unit.
Okay.
Even if the farmers are not good enough to produce that much produce, we can reduce the size of the dryer also. Even 50 kgs dryer at 2.5 lakh or 5 lakh rupees also we can set up.
Okay.
So customer based and modular based.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the question, I want to know the thing. See, you're talking about one entrepreneur. If if we stand one entrepreneur, then she or he will be no. He will be entitled for subsidies and applying to the government and all these things.
Yeah.
But
Correct.
if you take the FPO as the entrepreneur,
Huh.
then
Okay.
these facilities are not there. This subsidy and all things for FPOs in Odisha, it is not there.
No,
So-
central government is there, no scheme, NABARD.
No, NABARD schemes, I don't know. We are working with NABARD, but I don't know whether NABARD has certain schemes for this setting
No,
up this kind of units.
no, for FPO, what is that schemes they are getting? Why not for FPO?
Only promotional cost they are giving, nothing else.
No, but Kanakadri,
Ji.
I think for FPO, also they are eligible for subsidies, no?
Oh, see, it depends on the state government, how they are
No,
segregated.
subsidy is only available from the agriculture department of the state government. So that is
Okay.
only subsidy available, but that is for
So,
individual.
what
Individual
about the
entrepreneurs.
classification of FPOs? Any
As per the
SC entrepreneurs are there in that, in the FPOs? Hello?
Yes.
Any SC FPOs are there in that cluster? What
Yeah,
are they?
SC members are there. SC members are there. ST members are there. But FPO is not SC/ST FPO. You cannot say because all the castes are there in the FPOs.
Mm-hmm.
So in case of individual, it is okay. We know that you have to apply to the government agriculture department or horticulture department. They have subsidized schemes. You can approach them and get the subsidy. But for the FPO per se, it is not there. Subsidy is not available for doing this thing.
No, oh, in central government, we do have this FEOs. They are eligible for cluster to maintain. In
Okay.
place also,
I might not be knowing that. Okay.
I will share that GEO also. We have the GEOs. In fact, we are working on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are interested that my interest is that FPO should be the entrepreneur. FPO should take the lead. Yeah. So if the subsidy is available for them in the central government, then that will be well and good. Yeah.
Yeah, it's irrespective of the caste, they are eligible for this kind of FPO.
Yeah. And if you are taking the buyback is there and you are fully supporting for the marketing and all, then we are very eager to start one.
Yeah, first one is yes, we do have the buyback facility. At the same time, we do educate the market. I mean, give the hand-holding support in marketing also. For example, now in the beginning, you may listen my words. Once you are open to the market, once you have the produce, my price is not good for you, and we are not bonding anybody to sell to us only. Then you will be in the open market, so you can sell your produce at whatever the price you like. So the beginning, yes, we do have the hand-holding support, and also we allow you to see the international market.
Then, sir, this thing is that okay, you please support us technically, and we will start one in Odisha. Let's see how it is goes.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
So what do you do, Kedarji?
I am leading an NGO, sir.
What kind of activities?
It's an NGO, not for profit or social organizations. We are working for the livelihood promotion of the women, tribals,
So my
and
idea
artisans.
that's very good. My idea is that let us examine that. We'll try to make a visit to Bhubaneswar.
Sure, please. You are welcome, sir. You are welcome. I will be happy.
Then we discuss on the points, In the meantime, what are the documents required? Karkadri, share the GO and everything. Any ST enterprise are there in the FPOs. We try to get the subsidy also, 50% after 6 months. And we try to do whatever the best possible way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Sangeeta ji?
Yes.
And you have already Southern organization is there, microfinance, with so many companies are there. Any microfinance required, you can refer to someone, to the farmers,
Actually, Kedar sir also does this microfinance.
Okay.
He is part of a Orissa kind of setup. Where,
what do you do in microfinance? How big it is?
Sir, ours is a very small MFI, and right now the situation is not good, but we have good links with the MFI. Like Samunnati is one.
No, how many members you have in your MFI?
My MFI, it is around 2,000 members, sir. Only.
Oh, that's okay. That's reasonably okay.
Yeah.
What is your lending? 5,000 or 10,000?
The loan size,
Huh.
we are lending up to 30,000.
Then we can try to think of something, you know.
Yeah, but
what
the
is it?
supply right now the supply is low. No, supply is not there, so we are not lending right now. Only recovering the loans right now.
See, everywhere recovery is a big problem, you know. साला पैसा लेने पे सभी लेते हैं. So जब ले देते वक्त तो बहुत गालियां देते हैं. लेते वक्त
And because of supply, the recovery is also very poor because of this COVID and aftermath. There is no economy is not running properly. Agriculture producers are not coming properly. So a little bit problem is there in the microfinance. Whole microfinance in Odisha scenario is bad. But right now it is recovering, and we are hopeful that we will be doing. No problem.
Okay. So Kanakadri, what is the next step?
Yeah, that's what. We will plan a visit. Probably
Sure.
Sangeeta
If Sangeeta ma'am can come and you can join.
all together we will have the meeting.
Yeah, whenever, you know, दिल्ली से वो उसको भी सर्दी का छुटकारा मिल जाएगा. भुवनेश्वर आ जाएगी.
So,
Bhubaneswar, anyway, it's my second home. I know many people there in Odisha.
so in Orissa, sir,
Hmm.
say I am planning to visit in the last week of January.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe in the last week of January, first week of February. During
Okay,
that,
tell us in 2 to 3 days advance, you know, we'll come.
so
And we can, you are in Bhubaneswar, Kedarji?
Yeah. We have a small office in Bhubaneswar. We will have a meeting in Bhubaneswar office.
No, where you stay usually?
Bhubaneswar, yeah.
Oh, good.
Bhubaneswar only. आपका ऑफिस वहीं पर है या you are from?
Yeah, office भी यहीं पर है.
ना कौन सा जिले के आप कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट का है?
Actually, we work in 4 districts: Khurda,
Which
Puri, Kandhamal, and Baleshwar.
Baleshwar, okay. That's good. You know, I know Jagannath Patnaik ji personal capacity very well. You may know Jagannath Patnaik, Congress Party, earlier minister.
Yeah.
I call him Chacha, you know. Day before yesterday also we spoke. You know. I didn't tell him anything, but you know, I'm telling you. So he is from that area, no? What is that? The tribal area. What is that area? I also have forgotten.
Koraput?
No, not Koraput, madam. On this side.
Kalahandi.
Kalahandi. He's from Kalahandi. He was earlier from. They are native of Kalahandi, no, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are also working in Kandhamal, that is once in adjacent to Kalahandi.
Kalahandi, Kandhamal also there only.
Yeah.
So we'll plan. In the meantime, anything, you know, please try to be active in the group. And, you know, then we take it further. Let us think of a 50 lakhs or 1 crore proposal in Odisha, Kanakadri.
Yeah.
Then what do? We do a technology transfer and everything. We take a turnkey basis.
Yeah.
And we little bit money we charge and we keep some equity. Is it okay, Sangeeta ji?
That is okay, sir. Like say, I'll propose that this financial aspect, no, right now it will be very difficult for Kedar sir or.
No, nobody gives no. They were hired by entrepreneurs and we get the bank loans, no?
No, the entrepreneurs also. He represent very not very well off farmers. His farmers are
No, farmers are not entrepreneurs, madam. Please understand.
just wait, sir. Let me finish. Like he is talking about an FPO being an entrepreneur, right? So the FPO's entire, like say, what you can say, their entire valuation, that will not be up to 50 lakhs. So it will be very difficult for an FPO to also source these, to pass this proposal to have this kind of setup. So he
only, please go ahead,
so he will have very hard time, like say, getting this sanctioned by the FPO, because FPO means what? Like say it is a congregation of farmers, right? Although
Correct.
farmers will be the raw material suppliers, but the FPO body, the governing body, actually will be responsible for taking this loan or this setup. then this FPO itself becomes an entrepreneur also.
Correct.
So it will be very difficult. Kon kojun sir.
Yes, right.
No,
Yeah.
I understand that point. In Kanakadra also told similar point.
Huh.
See, there are two aspects in the entire business model. Please understand. One is raw material supply. FPO is a raw material supplier. I take them as raw material supplier. And the entrepreneurs were identified separately for the DA for the solar part. Correct, Kanakadri?
No, but that is right. But Kedarji is wanted FPO as an entrepreneur.
He wanted that actually.
That
So,
also can be
Yeah,
done.
yeah,
That also
yeah.
can be done. But the only thing is, so the size of the unit that we are planning is important. For an FPO, as my ma'am well said, we have to pay the margin money also to the banker.
correct.
So if it is a 10 lakh to 25%, 2.5 lakh, we have to show them as a margin money.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
once-
initially, I would suggest that okay, we will go for a 10 lakh size small project, then
That's always
go
good,
for
but
50
always
lakhs or 1 crore then.
Yeah, no
Not
issue.
right now. Yeah.
No issue.
Yeah.
that's how.
Yeah,
Once you are satisfied with our
See, that's you do a pilot, with 10 lakhs, no issue.
Yeah.
So
We try to work on that.
yeah. So please visit sir. Then you will understand what I am
Yeah,
trying
yeah.
to say. You will understand actually the nitty-gritty of the
I
entire
understand. No problem.
how difficult it is. Like say
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
one. And the second thing is like say Kedar sir is our main point, our mainstay of
Mhm.
whatever I new initiative that I want to take.
Mhm.
But there are very many smaller NGOs also around that area who
Mhm.
actually I'll put behind him, like say under his leadership, who can also
Okay.
come in
That's
and
good.
who actually represent other farmers of their area. Sir, Sadhu Charan Trust nahi? Sadhu Charan
Yes,
Trust, हाँ, ताको तो
Okay.
जान- so that fellow also can come under him, and he
Who
can,
Charan Das, sir?
no, the another person is there who
Mhm.
represents another small NGO.
No, I thought Bhakta Charan Das. I thought he's also good for them.
No. So that is a trust that I was naming. And
Okay.
I was trying to tell him, he also knows him. And
Mhm.
actually in his area, there are say 100 to 200 farmers, vegetable growers in that area.
Mhm.
So it will
Mhm.
be another cluster under his leadership. Like say he is a direct, he actually works in Puri itself. But there is, like say, it is good that many people should come together and do this jointly, no?
Mhm.
In several clusters. So
Mhm.
it will actually popularize the idea in a faster manner. So that is
Correct.
what my idea is. So these two people I know, Kedarji and the other person that I am talking about, these two people are dependable people
Okay.
with whom we can actually start. But what I am trying to tell you is there will be smaller, say, resistance or some small problems may arise, which I expect you to resolve with
Okay.
resources, right? So we should
So
not,
let us start a 10 lakhs project first,
yeah.
Kanakadri, and let them understand
that's always good. Once we
That's
have
always better, no? With 10 lakhs we
we
start.
will
Yes, sir.
welcome this kind of FPOs all over the
We
state.
try to help, as a cause, we try to help. No issue.
Definitely.
Yes,
Try
sir.
to help.
No, actually, the coastal area is a very potential for this vegetable for the
Now
vegetables.
you tell me
And
one more thing.
Yeah.
What if we try to procure of the subject? We try to procure the coconut direct from the farmers. What is the price?
5 to 10 rupee per piece.
No, that's it. Obviously, at the farmer rate, it's okay.
It sells at 30 rupees, 25 rupees in the market.
Yeah. Okay.
So that we will explore once we visit.
We will discuss.
Yeah,
No issue.
coconut is abundant. Vegetables, especially in the Rabi season, vegetables are in plenty.
Correct.
So we can, if once this starts off and once this marketing is assured, then sir, we can extend a lot.
That we will show to understand how the market is available all over the world.
Yeah.
We will show the path. We will show the
Anyway,
path.
we will be there. We'll go to the villages also. We'll see.
Yeah, we will plan to visit the village.
2-3 days we'll stay and we'll go to the interiors and we see,
Please.
what is the possible. Unless you don't see the Bhubaneswar में बैठ के खाली कटक में पूरी जाके वापस आए तो कुछ फर्क नहीं होता.
No,
We have to go to the villages.
We'll go to villages, and
We-
if
we-
you have time, then we can go to Kandhamal also. Kandhamal is also it's an overnight
Kandhamal
journey.
also next to Kalahandi is a little bit long, but okay. but we can go by car, no issue.
Yeah.
We can plan. So we'll let you know. थोड़ा पहले बता दीजिए संगीता जी.
Yes,
We'll accordingly will plan जी.
yes, sir. I'll tell them.
Okay. Thank you. Any more doubts for anyone, please?
No, for
No. It's nice meeting. Nice meeting. So special thanks to Sangeeta ji and Kanakadri ji and you,
जी, जी.
Uttam Raju ji.
जी, जी,
Sangeeta
जी.
ji is the main this thing.
Yeah,
no?
because the moment I connected to her, I told her, she got excited,
yeah,
Then we had a chat and immediately we exchanged numbers. And
And it will be maybe first time for Odisha, and
No,
we
first
can
of
show
its
it to
kind.
different
We
people.
try to do in a
Nabad, everybody will see.
yeah, we have to see क्या करते हैं actually for the people who are poor or who are not healthy, we have to give them a good nutrition food and good support. They are the people who do the physical work. Mental work में क्या होता है? Mental work कुछ भी नहीं है. And we can ask Naveen Babu also to come and inaugurate this first of its kind, If they will come,
Yeah.
no, see him also. We try to do that, no issue.
yeah.
संगीता जी पहले बता दीजिए आप कब जा रहा है 2 दिन पहले बता देता मैं यहाँ से प्लान करते हैं नो इशू
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay,
थैंक यू
Thank you. Bye. तो मैडम जाओ आपको बहुत धन्यवाद आओ जा कले भल लागिला हम भाबुतली कोन हबो
सर आरंभ करिबा एगुडा को सब होची
आगे छोटे छोटे आरंभ करले मु टिके सेफ साइड रे रहबी नले 50 लाख जो कहउछंदी 1 करोड़ सेटा टिके आरंभ रु कष्ट हबो हमको सब एपीओ रु कला बेलू
ताकि तांको